Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thanks for tuning back in. We got a very special project planned for our cabin in Talkeetna. We have an old air compressor here and we're going to turn it into an indoor shower. So we're going to do all the preparation work here in the shop in Wasilla. And then this coming weekend, I'm going to be going to the cabin by myself. Tasha's going to leave the state for a few days visiting family. So it's just going to be me and the dog Pippin. I should have all the parts pretty much ready here, so I'm going to start working on it tonight and see how far I can get. Let's get started and see what we can do about this air compressor and start cutting into it. Okay, let's go back inside. It's cold out here. So this went really smooth. It went way faster than I thought and easier than I thought. I need to take this part out, the valve, and then I got some fittings and other pieces I want to attach to the tank and make sure all this works. And if there is anything I need, I will get it tomorrow at the store. So the valve is off. Something's moving. I think it's working. Yep, it's working. Wow, that is some serious plug here for that tank. Okay, and now here comes the moment of truth. I did buy a fitting, hoping it's going to fit right in here. So we'll try this out right now. There's all these fittings I bought. Nope. Not going to fit. So that's going to be a problem. So I need to take these pieces tomorrow to the store and hopefully I can find some. My work colleague had the exact piece I need. So just you need to hope now that the size of the thread is going to fit right into the tank. Yes, it does. Perfect. So now what I need to do is I need to sweat this piece into the bigger one. So we're going to reduce it down to 1/2 inch copper on the inside of this piece. Good. Then we're going to put a valve on it for the time being and another piece like this on the other side. So as far as soldering the copper and prepping everything here at the shop, I think we're good. So I'm going to take this apart and then I'm going to do some sanding here around the edges. So we're not going to cut ourselves, clean the inside of the tank out. And then I probably, if I have enough time, I'm going to go ahead and paint the outside tonight, let it dry here in the shop, and then tomorrow after work, we're going to load it up and we're out of here. Yep, I'm going to call this good. Let it dry, and then we're going to clean the inside, and we're good to go. We are on the road now to the cabin. We've had everything ready to go, loaded, and I was able to get out of work just a little bit earlier. We've got a few more miles to Talkeetna, and then we're going to be heading to the cabin. It is 5:23. We have 25 degrees outside. And we have 17 inside the cabin. So colder inside than outside. Anyway, we're here. We're safe. We're going to get the cabin heated up. And I think while the cabin is going to heat up, I'm going to run down and get 1 jug of water. So we don't have to worry about it first thing in the morning. It's actually pretty weird when you come in here and you're by yourself. It's just really, really quiet. Normally we have conversation, one person does one thing, the other does the other thing. But when you come in here, it's just, to be honest, it's too quiet. So I'm going to do a little experiment here. So every time we get to the cabin here, it takes a long time for every room to be warm. What I'm trying to do is now I want to keep the heat just right here in the dining and living area. So what I'm going to do is I just drilled a couple holes here, one on this side, one over here. I'm going to try to get this dowel in here, and then I'm going to put this curtain in here, and it'll keep the heat in the living and dining room area for now, and it'll travel upstairs. And then once this is all heated up, even if it takes until in the morning, then I can take the curtain down and some of the heat will go into the kitchen and bathroom area. This will keep this heat in here for sure. So let's check the temperature. So right now we have 29 degrees in here, and I'm going to check the time, how long it's going to take to get it at least to, let's set a goal to about 50. So we have reached 51 degrees and it is exactly 7 o'clock. So 50 minutes it took to heat this area to 51, which is, I think, pretty good. Curtain definitely works. Well, we are gonna call it a day. Cabin is slowly getting warm, especially the bedroom up here, nice and cozy. And I think we're gonna get some good rest, and then in the morning we can hit it hard, get the electrical started, and then we're gonna be working on the shower. So that will be a great goal while Tacia is visiting family. So next time when she comes up here, we have a little bit more of a finished bedroom and also light and hopefully a shower we can use. All right, you guys, see you in the morning. Good night. And good morning. It's 6:30 right now. I'm gonna have a quick little breakfast. Place is warming up really well. And then we're gonna go upstairs and start working on the wiring while it's still kind of dark outside. Take advantage of that, and hopefully we can get it all done. And by the time it gets light, I think I'm gonna go start working on our shower. And Tacia made this dark chocolate chip cookie bread or cake. and it is really good. So this will be our working area for a while, so I'm going to move this mattress out of the way. And I think I told you this before in one of the videos, I'm not the greatest electrician by any means. So we got the fire extinguisher, we got everything else ready, so I think we're in good shape. Good gravy. I haven't even started. I'm already bleeding. We got all the cables in here to one box. So challenge 1 is done. We got everything wired correctly. Now we got to get all that disaster into the box. That is going to be the hardest part, that's for sure. We're getting there. Cool. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna assume we got it. Let's go downstairs and check it out. What's going on? There, yep, there it is. We're all the way into the pantry to the main power source. So I'm gonna leave it like this for now before we hook it up. So let's go upstairs, get everything else done in the main bedroom. And then we can come back down here, hook it up to these cables, and we should be ready to go. Oh, that is not good. Ooh, great. Well, there was a shrew. Okay, before we miss this moment, I want to show you guys something. Sunrise on the mountain peak. And there's all 3 peaks. Foraker, Hunter, McKinley. And then right in front of Mount Hunter, which is the tallest one I'm zooming in right now, you can see the Tacia Mountains. They're very rugged. And then this one here in the middle is called Moose's Tooth. Getting close here, getting close. Get the cable in, put the screw in, and then we'll hook it up and see if it works. And here's the final moment. We're gonna wire our upstairs circuit into this strand right here, and then that should give us power for the entire upstairs. There we go. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take this wire here, attached to the 2x4 so it's held in place. Everything else worked out really good. Can actually plug this back into the power box and see if we got light upstairs. Here it comes. Cross your fingers. Should I get the fire extinguisher ready or not? Nothing. So where is the problem? There's the problem. See that white wire? It slipped out of the wire nut, and that's why we don't have power into our bedroom. Let there be light. Yes! That's what it was. One little wire slipped out of a wire nut in the other bedroom, and it screwed up everything. So I was questioning the switch, I was questioning this light fixture, the bulb, everything. So here we go. We have light. Oh, what a relief. I don't like electricity. It just takes one tiny little thing going wrong and the whole thing is a mess. Anyway, we got light. I think today is the day of challenges. I was hoping I can go straight underneath the cabin and get the shower stall out, or the basin, and it was literally froze to the ground and shifted up against the floor and it was wedged in there. So I had to get an axe and just dig into the ground to get the shower basin freed up. And there it is. So I think somewhere in this area is where we're going to place the tank. I gotta make sure that we fall next to a floor joist, and the floor joist is running right here, so we need to go just a little bit over here. So I would bring it to here, and that would give us enough room to put the hot water into the tank. Okay, there we go. There's our hole. Question is now, okay. Absolutely gorgeous today. Just the wind picked up quite a bit. I was hoping we can do some stuff outside here before it gets dark. Anyway, we gotta go get some water real quick so we have enough to check and see if our shower works. So I gotta figure out a plan. I think I'm just gonna get the biggest tub I have. We'll place it underneath, and then later we're gonna heat up some water on the fireplace, come down here, and we are having a wonderful shower. I'm super excited. The shower has to wait till tomorrow. I was all excited, and all of a sudden my stomach just turned over really bad, and it started off, it was hurting really bad. And then I felt nauseous for some time, and I was just kind of relaxed and laid down. And then I got up and I was getting really sick. So I've been laying here for the last 3 hours, kind of hoping it's going to go away, but I don't think it's going to go away. It's pitch black already outside. There's a bad storm on top of it. So I just kind of locked everything up and made some chamomile tea and just hope it's going to be better in the morning. See you guys in the morning. Good morning. That was a night. The storm is gone. It's the way it sounds. I think I feel a little better. Okay, let's get up, huh? Okay, the fire's going really good. And I think we got plenty of water for a little shower. Okay, there we go. Nice hot water. Okay, here we go. Wow, that is awesome. That is so cool. But in the future, when we have the shower drain, Oh, nice. I love it. That is a success. Whew, I feel like new. So 3 gallons of water, and it was still coming out. So I'm gonna go upstairs now and see how much is left. Oh yeah, that was pretty much it. Alrighty guys, I'm heading home. I'm not feeling the greatest, but I want to use as much sun as we can get, even if it's just a couple degrees warmer. So I'm going to leave a little early today. But anyway, thank you very much for coming along, watching the video again. Thanks for all your support. Stay safe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.